It's moving.
Hey guys, it's the Boeing 747 taxiing in Port Harcourt. Guys, for the first time in history, I have seen a Boeing 747 taxiing. Wow. Network Aviation Boeing 747. This is the first time I've seen one in my life.
What other aircraft is on ground?
Alright, I'll see another one. I think it's a Max Air, Boeing 737. And for the first time in history, Boeing 747. Alright, so my parents are going to take a view. I'm going here so I'll be able to see the Network Aviation 747. We are slowing down because of this plane. Wow! Network Aviation. First time I've seen a 747 in history. Wow! Well, it's a freighter. So to take off from runway 21.
Look at the engine. It's not saying anything.
Yeah, 4-engine aircrafts. Oh, that bet should not ruin this show. First time I've seen a 747 in my life. I couldn't even tell it was a 747. Alright, so that's the 747 we're going by. So I'll get another view. This is the domestic terminal. And Network Aviation 747 is the domestic terminal. So I think another airline was a Max Air flight. I can't believe that's the first time I've seen a 747. Yeah. I'll see you guys in the international terminal. Okay, so we couldn't go to the international terminal, but this is the arrivals gate. An Air Peace A320. Yeah, an A320. So I think that should be all. And seriously though, I wasn't joking. I saw a 747. Alright. Yeah, that will be all for the plane spotting clip. And I'll see you guys soon. And either way, I'm just waiting for a plane to take off. So, a Max, ain't no way that Max Air just took off. Ain't no way.